Okay, so I have copied the logic part, that is the quicksort logic part. Here it is, and only just I have taken the logic part, not any other else. See here, only here it is what we have to take a number of elements and enter the elements. What it will do, it will take the input. Low means 0, high means n minus 1, and after that it will call the quicksort function, and after that what it will do, it will print it. So quicksort function is which one? Here it is. This is the quicksort function, where indirectly it will make the partition. To make the partition, what it will do, to make the partition, it will go here and it will make the partition. As in first video I have explained you that to make the partition, first it will shuffle it. Means what? It whatever the lesser side is there, it will suppose consider this as a pivot. So whatever the less part of the 16 are there, it will come here, and greater part of the greater number from 16, greater than 16 are there, that comes here. Lesser than 16 numbers will come here in the left side, greater than 16 number will come in the right side, and partition is done. So to do that partition, this function is used. That is which function? This function is used, okay, to do that partition. Okay, and after the partition, this separate quicksort will create and then it will execute. So moving to, I have taken this program, that is int partition. So this is the logic where I have to explain. Okay, so now what happens here, I'll consider this 13 as a pivot. Okay, how I'll consider? See, I, j, pivot, temp, flag 1, they are given. Pivot is equals to a of low. Here we have considered low as 0, high as n minus 1. Low as 0 means this one. Okay, so here I'll put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so total there are 7 for n minus 1. N is 7. Okay, so n minus 1 is indirectly, it is a 6. So here what I have done, pivot is equals to a of low. Low means what? 0. Okay, low means 0, high means n minus 1. Yes or no? So high means 6, low means what? 0. Low means 0 here. So like this. So we'll consider low as 0, high as n minus 1, which I had given later. Okay, so now pivot is the a of low. A of low means what? 0. This is the pivot. A of low means what? A of 0 is the pivot. So I is equals to low plus 1 means what? I value will become 1. Here I value will be low plus 1 means low value is what? 0, and high value j is what? High. Okay, so high is 6, I is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Now what it will do, it will check here, this flag equal to 1 starting we have initialized. This will help you to find the this will help you to make the partition. Means what? If the condition is done everything, so it will help to change the pivot as well as the first element. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll go here down, flag equal to 1 is there, so condition is true, it will come here. A of I, so that is a of I is less than pivot, and I is less than j. Means what? It will check 13 is less than 12. True or false? False. When 13 is less than 12 is false, and I value is what? 1. J value is what? 6. I value is 1. J value is 6. So 1 is less than 6. If this is true, and here a of 1, that is 12, is less than 13. True. When 12 is less than 13 is true, then what it will do, I will be incremented. 12 is less than 13. This is a 12 less than 13. True. Then what it will do, I will be incremented. Means what? If condition is true, it will go here. it will not stop, it will move, that is I value will move here. Okay, so next what it will do, again the while loop will work here. Okay, it will start looping until it will stop. Here say I will be incremented here, a of I, that is 15, is less than pivot. Pivot is what? 13. 15 is less than pivot. 15 is less than 13. True or false? False. When 15 is less than 13 is false, what it will do, it will come outside. It's what, it will stop here only, and after that it will go here. A of j is what? A of j is 8, that is the last one, 8 is greater than 13. 8 is greater than 13. True or false? False. 8 is not greater than 13. So when 8 is not greater than 13, this also it will come outside. Then it will check I value is what? 2. J value is what? 6. 2 is less than 6, condition is true. Then it will swap what? 12, that is 15 in the position of 2. 15 is there in the position of 6. 8 is there, it will swap 15 and 8. How? Here it will come 8, here it will come 50. So after swapping this, what it will do, again it will come here, that is if condition is done. Okay, after swapping this, again it will go here to the while loop. Okay, so flag is equals to 1. Once again it will, after swapping it will go here. It will check the condition, that is 8 is less than 13. Here 8 less than 13, true. Then what it will do, I will be incremented, and after that again it will check 16 is less than 13. True? No, it is false. So I will stop here only, and after that it will come out of the while loop. It will go here, it will check what is that, 15 is, that is j is 15. 15 is greater than 13, true. Then j will be decremented, it will come down here, j. 9 is greater than 13, true. False. Then what happens, both will get swapped. What is that, 16 and 9 will both get swapped, that is 9 will come here and 9 will come here and 16 will come here. So that is done by here. First it will check the condition, 3 is less than 5 by I and j, then it will swap it. After this what happens, it will go here, that is again it will go here, it will check 9 is less than 13, true. Then what happens, it will come here, I will come here, j, and after that again it will check 10 is less than 13, true. Then what happens, I is there, it will come here. After that I will check 16 is less than 13, no, it will stop here only. Next j is the area of j, that is 16 is greater than 13, that is the pivot, 16 is greater than 13, true. Then what happens, j will come here. Okay, so after this what happens, again it will check 10 is greater than 13, that is pivot. So 10 is greater than 13 is false. So what happens, it will stop here only. So after stopping here, it will check I is less than j. I value is what, 5. J value is what, 4. 5u is less than 4. No, it is false. So when it is false, this swapping will not work. So when it will not work, it will go to the else part, that is where this part flag will be 0. Once this flag will become 0, so once again it will check while look flag equal to 1 is there. No, it is false. Then what happens, it will come here, it will swap here. Means what, this 10 is there. What is that? This j value 10, it will go here and it will put here. That is, swap is done with the pivot element. Here this part is done by the pivot. A of low means 0. 10 will come here, next 13 will come here. So like this. Now this part and this part we have to make a swap. So 16 and 15, the partition is done now. So this, that is 10, 12, 8, 9, and here 16, 15. So this is done by quicksort, this is done by quicksort. How? By using this one. After partitioning done, so this is the separate quicksort, this is the separate quicksort. This is 1 and this is 1. Again it will swap here also. It will take a pivot, it will swap here, and it will make this as a 15, and here it will make 16, and it will consider this as a 10 as a pivot, and it will check 10 is greater than 12, false, then it will stop here. I'll make it as a pivot. This is I and this is j. After that it will check 10 is greater than 12, false, so it will stop here. Next it will go here, 10 is less than 9, false, then both will get swapped. Okay, what happens here, 9 will come here, 10 will come here. Sorry, 9 will come here, 12 will come here, and again this also same thing. Here j will come, again j will come here. This swapping is done. So finally, along with this procedure, it will swap like this: 8, 9, 10, 12, and after that 13, 15, 16. So finally this is how the quicksort works. What is the main of the quicksort? Only just the main aim of the quicksort is taking one of the pivot element, and whatever the less numbers are there, it will keep shift that into the left side, and whatever the highest number are there, it will shift that into the right side. Suppose this 9 is the pivot element, less numbers will be shifted here, and which are the greater number will be shifted here. And after this what happens, we'll not consider this pivot, we'll take this and we'll make a 10 as a pivot, and again we have to apply the same rule. Here also we have to apply the same rule. Like this we have to work. So thank you. I think so everyone understood about this. Okay, so it's little bit tricky, but you have to follow, have a patience, listen it very carefully, and then follow the things. Thank you.